Let me ask my first question to Manshi. Can I? May I?
I think it's only fair.
It's only fair, right? Manshi, very few people get to sit between Katrina and Sonam Kapoor. How are you feeling?
Well, when I stand next to these ladies, I feel only one thing, which is short.
Nicely put, ladies and gentlemen, that was nicely put. Okay, sharing a stage or sitting so closely to each other lately. So what do you have to say about that? Both of you, come on.
Katrina,
Katrina, why-
I don't bite.
You don't bite?
I don't bite. I won't bite. I promise.
I
She
don't
can
mind.
interchange seats, I still won't bite.
I think I'm a source of entertainment to Katrina. She loves sitting next to me. She's constantly laughing when I'm around, which I think is amazing. I love Katrina. I think I've said several times. So I think it's great that we can share a stage together. I think lots of actresses wouldn't be okay with doing that. And I'm quite happy and honored to be on the same stage as her. So.
No, that's very humble. Round of applause for Sonam for saying such sweet and nice things. Come on, she's being really sweet. That was really nice, Sonam. I was really touched with that. Okay. Okay, moving on. Now, let's throw this open for the media. Do we have questions for the lovely ladies on stage? Do we have a mic for the media as well? Can we say a raise of hands and please introduce yourself and go for your question.
It's been, I think, a very, very good journey because most of our most famous celebrities have always walked the red carpet. There are celebrities who have also grown with Cannes with each passing year. So I think we have some wonderful memories. And when I sometimes look back and see all the old photographs, I think you can see the journey of a brand, the journey of the celebrity, and also the journey of partnerships. Because many of our celebrities have been there for, for decades with us. So I think it speaks a lot about the brand and the kind of people we have with the brand.
7 years with L'Oreal.
Thanks.
And 5 years at Cannes as well, right? And your 5th year at Cannes. Fantastic. Can we have another question?
Hi, Katrina. This is Sohail over here. Hi. We are missing you a lot, in fact. Like, happy to see you again over here. How are you preparing yourself?
Happy to see you too.
Yeah, thanks. How are you preparing yourself for the Cannes Festival?
Well, I think L'Oreal has an amazing team that works in Cannes and I think works with a lot of their ambassadors from all around the world. So you have a great team already in place with your hair, with your makeup experts, with stylists as well. So that whole team is in place and I think they've always done an amazing job. So I'm happy to learn from them and to see new things, experience new trends. And then, of course, if I'm still uncertain or insecure about something, I'll just pick up the phone and call Sonam, because I think she's the best person for advice when it comes to clothes or when it comes to style and fashion. She always gets it bang on. And if she's next door and I still don't have anything to wear, I'll just go into her room and take a dress. Do you mind? No, thanks. No, I've known Sonam for quite some time and she's a really, really sweet and special friend, I think I can call her. So if I need any help, I know she's there. She'll help me.
Hi, this is for Sonam and Katrina, both of you.
Where are you?
I'm here. The meaning of fashion changes every time. So what fashion means to you?
Can you repeat the question again?
The meaning of fashion changes every time. What fashion means to you? Sonam and Katrina?
The meaning of fashion changes every time, so what fashion means to you?
Go for it.
Honestly, there's fashion and then there's style. Fashion is about trends and it's about what's, now in vogue. But style is something which is timeless and classic. And yes, you're right, fashion keeps changing, but inherent style always remains. And so it's just about, anything that represents your style, and you kind of have to adapt fashion of any era to your style.
And what about Katrina? What's her view?
I was listening, sorry. What is my view? I think nobody better can answer that question than Sonam. I think she said the correct answer. I do believe that style is a little more personal, and fashion is something which can be dictated by, you know, fashion editors, fashion magazines. And I think if you are very comfortable in that world and confident, then you should definitely experiment and try new things, and if you have good direction as well. And if not, I think you know, if you're not a person who likes to experiment too much with fashion, I think that's okay also. As long as you're comfortable in your own skin, I think fashion should not ever overpower you. You should always dress for yourself first and then for other people.
Nice.
Thank you.
Where's our next question? Don't feel pressure to ask a question. There are many questions happening on the side screen as well. I can slip one of that in.
Katrina,
You have one.
a question for you.
Please
Here,
go
you're
ahead.
on your left.
Yes.
On your left. Hi. I would just love to ask you, okay, you're doing very well at your professional level. When do we get to see you married? When is that day gonna come? Because finally,
She's gonna get married after me. We've decided this, and
And when is that gonna happen?
we don't know yet.
Katrina, what's your answer for this?
I think that's an excellent suggestion. I should get married after Sonam, and I don't think Sonam knows yet as well. So I think neither of us know. Marriage should be special, and marriage, I think, should be magical. And you should just get married when you look at each other and you're 100% sure you never want to live without that person. And I hope that happens soon, and for me, and for you, and for Sonam, and for all of us, very
Too
soon.
young, man.
ये साल आपकी शादी हो सब
मैंने
हम लोग
क्या-
उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस साल कटरीना आपकी शादी हो सकती है
मैं सोच रहा था आप पूछेंगे शादी पे मैट लगा रहे क्या ग्लॉस
वो
लगा
मैं
रहे?
पूछ लूंगी वो तो हमेशा
Sorry,
Glossy
I
लगा।
didn't hear the question.
इस साल आपकी शादी हो सकती है कटरीना खबरें आ रही हैं इस बार रणबीर भी रेडी हैं
See, everything is possible. Ho sakti is a very generic. I mean, anything is always possible. But I don't have any plans yet, so I can't share the plans with you. But if I do, and when I do have the plans, I promise you, I will tell you. That's my promise.
मालदीव्स के वेकेशन पे आप गई थी आप वहां से आ भी गई जल्दी कुछ खास वजह कि आप इतने जल्दी वहां से आ गई लॉरियल ने आपको बुला लिया
Manashi's fault. All Manashi's fault. She called me. I had to come back. All the way back on the plane, I was only thinking about Manashi. See her face. But it was a very important event. This is something I think was really special, the thought of what has been done today. Basically, I think Cannes is something which always seems very out of reach, probably, for most people. And someone like L'Oreal today has given an opportunity for girls from all over the country to just experience and feel like for a day what it's like to walk a red carpet. Obviously, this is not, you know, a movie premiere, but just the chance to be able to see what it's like, I think is something which is really special. And the girls seemed really happy, and it was very nice for us, I think, to be able to meet them and interact with them as well.
All right.
Hi, Katrina.
I have one question. Allow me.
I have one question.
I also have one.
कटरीना
हाँ जी. I'll come back to you. Let me.
आपकी फिल्म आ रही है जग्गा जासूस लेकिन बार बार जो फिल्म की रिलीजिंग डेट है वो डिले हो रही है क्या रीजन है इसके पीछे ये जानना चाहेंगे बिकॉज
मैं यहाँ इतना उम्मीद लेके आया था कि कतरीना और सोनम से
हम
अपनी
भी
स्किन के
बहुत
बारे में
उम्मीद
पूछूं.
लेके आए हैं सर कि अब कटरीना के आंसर्स मिलेंगे
चल. see.
Actually, we'll just quickly, I'll address your question. It's not been delayed. The release of Jaga Jasoos will be this year end. This is the first time the release date has been announced, so that's not been delayed. But Phantom, which was my movie with Kabir Khan, that was delayed by 2 months. So now that release is in August.
Can I ask Sonam and Katrina? There are repetitive tweets going on for questions to both of you. And I'd be doing a disservice to that process if I don't ask you this. Tips from both of you on healthy skin. I'm sure there are a lot of girls on healthy skin. How do I make my skin look like yours? Is that simple?
It's genetic, and then there's L'Oreal Paris.
And some tips. Come on, be nice. Give us some tips. Both of you, Katrina and Sonam.
I think 4 liters of water a day is the first step.
Okay.
And then the second thing is, it's very logical, is diet. If it looks oily and fried and, you know, deep fried, does that look like it's gonna help your skin? Does it really? If it doesn't, then, you know, honestly, you gotta avoid it most of the time. Try avoiding it 5 days a week, 2 days a week, eat what you want. 5 days a week, make sure you eat clean and healthy.
Okay. Is matte and gloss about personality or occasion?
I think it's occasion. I guess I just like to wear everything.
So it's fairly occasion.
It's also my mood.
Okay. Some more? We have the media also wanting to ask more.
Hello.
We'll take that as the last
Hello,
couple of
this-
questions.
This for Katrina. I'd like to ask you that what benchmark you had in your mind when you decided to join this brand L'Oreal?
Can you repeat the question, sir? again?
What benchmark you had in your mind when you decided to join this brand L'Oreal?
Benchmark of what?
You had in your mind
But benchmark of...
Of what?
in
Matlab
terms
benchmark
of...
what?
regarding the brand L'Oreal.
What I think you're asking is what did I want to achieve
Yeah.
with L'Oreal Paris?
Yeah, okay.
You know, L'Oreal has always been a very iconic beauty brand, firstly and foremost. Always setting new trends, that's one thing. Secondly is, I've often in the past, as you know, they have many global beauty ambassadors. I've often admired many of their women. So for me, it was also getting a chance to join the team and be among women who I personally admire. The other thing is I've also noticed they always really tend to support their ambassadors and work hand in hand with them, growing with them, as Manashi said, not just kind of dictating to them, but growing with their ambassadors in whatever phase of life they may be in their career, in their own life. I think they speak along with the women who endorse their product. So I think that to me was very appealing. It's not just about signing a brand, but it's kind of joining a family that speak for women and very positively and strongly for women, and that's what L'Oreal Paris does.
Sonam?
Yeah, that will be the last question, ma'am. So be,
सोनम इस बार क्या रिया आपको स्टाइल करने वाली है?
Yes.
So what you are going to wear there? Can you just...
It's a surprise.
I'll send you the picture later.
My question is to Katrina and Sonam. Being a celebrity, how much you all have to be most of the time you all are in makeup? Like how responsible it becomes? Like most of the time you are into makeup. Like that is a kind of a responsibility.
Sorry, Babu, what did you say?
मतलब being a celebrity, आप लोगों को ज़्यादातर मतलब अच्छा लगना होता है, अच्छा दिखना होता है, तो ज़्यादातर you all are in makeup actually,
So basically what you're trying to say is without makeup, we don't look good.
I didn't say that way.
I look good.
Adds up actually. But कितना responsibility होती है actually आपके लिए? Is it a kind of a compulsion या responsible?
Honestly, मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि जब आप सेलिब्रिटी होते हैं तो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि आप अपने आप को एक तरह रिप्रेजेंट करें. तो अगर हम पब्लिक में जाएं तो यू हैव टू बी वेल टू पुट टुगेदर. पर पर्सनल लाइफ में या घर पे या अगर कोई फिल्म की रिक्वायरमेंट है और मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं है तो हम नहीं पहनते हैं. या एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हैं और पता नहीं कैसे फोटोग्राफर्स पहुंच जाते हैं वहाँ, तो मेरे को पता है कैसे पहुंच जाते हैं, पर स्टिल तो तब मेकअप नहीं होता और फिर वो एक बड़ी सर्कल आती है अंडर आइज के, वो सब होता है कभी कभार, पर ऑनेस्टली इट डिपेंड्स.
I think the main difference between me and Sonam is when Sonam is in front of the camera or in an event or in her own life, personal life, if you just see her at a restaurant, she always looks like she's just stepped off a red carpet, or she could just go onto a red carpet. If you see me at an event like this, I may look like I belong there, and if you see me in my own life, I look like I'm going to bed. So basically one has style consistently and consecutively, and some of us, don't all the time.
मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी इंसिडेंट याद है. मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट में गई थी और कटरीना वहाँ थी अपनी मम्मी के साथ, वो खाना खा रही थी और उन्होंने एक जीन्स और टी शर्ट, बहुत ही फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट है बाय द वे, और उन्होंने जीन्स और टी शर्ट पहना था, कुछ मेकअप नहीं था, बाल एकदम ऐसे उन्होंने टाई किए थे और आई थिंक यू वेयरिंग फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स कैट इफ आई एम नॉट, एंड मुझे याद है कि मैंने एक क्रिश्चियन डियोर का स्कर्ट पहना था, क्रॉप टॉप पहना था, और कटरीना लाइक डिड यू कम फ्रॉम एन इवेंट? I was like, no, I was at home. I just put this on. And she's like, how long did it take you? I said, 5 minutes. She's like, I took 5 minutes as well.
That's a very common occurring event with me and Sonam. I'm like, wow, what are you wearing? Have you just come from an award show? No, I've just come from home. Okay, fine.
हेलो सोनम, यहाँ पे आप 5 साल से लॉरियल में कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में लॉरियल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं, लेकिन भारत से बहुत कम फिल्में हैं जो कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में पहुँच पाती है। आप हाल ही में एक बायोपिक कर रही हैं, क्या आपको लगता है कि इसमें काबिलियत है जो कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जा सके?
जी, मेरी फिल्म कल, मतलब मेरी शूटिंग कल शुरू होगी, और हाँ मैं ये फिल्म कर रही हूँ, पर फिल्म बनने से पहले मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ? नेवर काउंट योर चिकन्स बिफोर दे हैच। पर मेरी यही कामना है कि मेरी जो फिल्म है वो एक फेस्टिवल वर्दी फिल्म हो। मुझे पता नहीं ये कैन में जाएगी या वेनिस में जाएगी या सिर्फ बॉम्बे फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जाएगी, पर मेरी यही कामना है और हम देखते हैं क्या होता है उसके साथ। पर होपफुली मेरी फिल्म कल शुरू हो रही है और मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है, और ये फिल्म बहुत सारे लोगों को स्पेशली इंडिया में बहुत पसंद आएगी।
Hi, my question is to Sonam and Katrina both. I'm Priyanka from ActFacts. I wanted to know one thing that a girl should keep in mind when she's choosing matte or gloss.
One thing to keep in mind when the girl is choosing matte or gloss.
Is it the dress or is it the occasion? What she should keep in mind, basically.
Well, Sonam did say something about the occasion, but please elaborate, Sonam, if you can.
What age?
Yeah.
You are always ageless, man. We're Indians. Indian skin never ages. And then you have L'Oreal products. Honestly, अगर आप मैट या ग्लॉस चूज़ कर रहे हैं तो मैट लिपस्टिक जो है वो आपकी स्किन टोन पे डिपेंड करता है और ग्लॉसी भी स्किन टोन पे डिपेंड करता है। मेरे हिसाब से इवन दो कटरीना एंड मी आर एक्चुअली ऑपोजिट हेयर, जब भी आप ग्लॉसी लिप्स पहने तो बाल बंद होने चाहिए और मैट लिप्स पहने तो बाल खुले होने चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स ईजियर टू मैनेज। पर पता नहीं हम दोनों ने ऑपोजिट ही कर दिया है आज।
Hi Sonam, I think it means that you can wear gloss or matte however you want. There's no right or wrong way to wear it. You can wear it how it suits you. When you look in the mirror, you automatically just kind of know what you feel comfortable in.
Hi Sonam, भावना देसाई।
कहाँ भावना? आप कहाँ हो?
भावना इस तरफ है।
कैसी भी ना? आपकी फिल्म की शूट प्रेम रतन धर्म पायो कंप्लीट हो गई, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा ओवरऑल? एंड
जी अब तक खत्म नहीं हुई है।
ओ गॉड,
ओ गॉड क्यों बोल रहे हो यार?
बिकॉज यू हैव स्टार्टेड शूटिंग yesterday for another film and you're still
I'm still shooting it.
How was the whole experience and
बहुत
experience working with Salman Khan?
जी बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। सूरज जी और सलमान के साथ शूटिंग करके मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। अभी बहुत कम शूटिंग बाकी है। अगस्त में आई थिंक करीब 2 हफ्ते मुझे शूटिंग करना है, गाने बचे हैं बस। पर बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और होपफुली लोगों को भी ये फिल्म पसंद आएगी। जैसे आप सब जानते हैं नवंबर में ये फिल्म रिलीज़ होने वाली है।
सोनम, सलमान एज अ पर्सन आपके लिए क्या है? इफ यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब सलमान एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग।
जी मैंने अपनी पहली फिल्म उनके साथ की थी सावरिया, और मैं उन्हें बचपन से जानती हूँ। वो मेरे पापा के बहुत ही जिगरी दोस्त हैं और वो अब मेरे दोस्त भी हैं, आई कैन कॉल हिम दैट। और वो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं और उनके साथ काम करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। होपफुली हम और काम करेंगे एक साथ फ्यूचर में। I think that was the last question, right? Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. May I request? Okay, just if you all agree to keep this as the last question, I'll take this as one question. One last question? Okay. Yes, one last question. Please. One last.
Please, one last question. Okay.
Yes.
Recently, Supreme Court has passed a rule saying that the live-in relation couples will be considered as married.
Sorry, ma'am. This is this. Thank you. I'll.